Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can remove a specific person from our group in our Snapchat. So first and foremost, make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. You will see a page like this. Now you have to locate the Snapchat group. In my case, I have the group right here. And as you can see, there are three Bitmojis. That means there are three members. You can also view it under group members. Now, if you simply tap onto it, it will go on the chat for this specific person. But what you have to do is go back onto the group itself. Let's say if you would like to remove this specific person, you're going to have to long tap onto their name and you will see remove from group in red font. Tap onto it and then simply confirm your action. Select remove. And now as you can see, I only have two member. And all you have to do is now go ahead, refresh a page, open your Snapchat again, and now you will only see two Bitmojis. That is how it's done. Thank you for watching.